You just about knocked your remote over. Scratch that.
What is your name?
Pablo. Oh, my foot just got cramped.
Oh, my foot just got cramped. Oh shit! You know what that
Where's the mouse at?
Dude, you just turned off an epic movie.
How did I turn off? I didn't even press the button. I'm farther away. Yeah.
What the shit?
How the fuck am I turning? What the hell?
Dude, you
Is
must.
that out of batteries?
You must be freaking like drunk off your ass or something. Like that. Big burger. Just watching.
The remote's broken. It keeps turning off. Why do you have that?
Why doesn't he have that? Why
If
don't
you shoot me,
have
I'm
that?
like puke. Oh my god!
Couldn't help it.
I just pressed the volume and it turned off. The buttons are whack.
Your TV's fucked.
What happened? Okay.
Dude.
Come on, TV, don't fail me tonight.
That sounds like, can you count between 1 and 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 10, 10.
Okay, sure.
Go, champ. What the? Oh, it did work.
Yeah, that time.
How is this? Here, press the button on the side.
Where's the one?
Yeah.
On this side?
Yeah, there should be like a button.
Hold on.
Do you see it? It should be big and fat.
There's a lot of big and fat buttons here.
That should be the biggest one. It's like round.
Is it on the very bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool.
Let me try this again. Okay, cool. Wow, so loud, huh?
Wait, why'd you go upstairs for? I went downstairs and take a poop. You stunk up the bathroom. I did not. I could not possibly go in that bathroom and shit. I did not. I walked in there, I was like, oh! Oh!
On TV.
And I was gonna go to 3rd, but then I realized it was a girl's bathroom, and then I went up to 4th, or I was gonna go to 6th, but I didn't want to walk up any more stairs, so I probably just ran down the complex. I ran past Nikki's like, dude, I ran past Nikki's like, what's the problem, dude? I was like, don't talk to me now!
My TV's broken. I gotta call him. That sucks.
Ryan. Really, Ryan?
Really,
Ryan. What is your last name?
Interior.
Are you sure about that?
I interior.
Okay.
I can tell your story if you want me to. Where's that button at? Oh, I got it.
Well, see, now it came on.
Did it?
Yes.
It works! Now I gotta fix this. This is a bad way to start finals week.
Oh, damn it. Oh, shit, it went off.
What the hell? Where'd that thing go? Where'd the mag... Oh, I got it. This TV is whack. There's like a magnetic field in my room.
That's so weird.
This is whack. I don't like this game. My TV don't play right now. Where are my keys at?
Where's that?
What? This is like only a couple months old too. I think it works now. Maybe you just had to like lose cable or something.
Oh my. Really?
It might be dust. Do you think dust causes TV to break?
Yeah, I think probably dust does it.
The process is ridiculous. I want to get a new TV. What is going on?
Your TV's really fucked up, dude.
I don't know if I could take this anymore.
Oh.
Did I just break it?
Yeah.
You have to be kidding me. This is not the time for a TV to break.
That sucks.
Now it's all wet and I have to dry it off. Come on, TV. Is this an American brand? Because if it is, that's why it
It's
sucks.
made in San Diego, or designed in San Diego. I think.
Yeah, that explains why it's broken. Toyota made this TV. It'd work for another 15 years.
Damn foreign TVs. I
Wait,
swear.
Yeah.
does Toyota even make TVs?
No, but they should. So counter problems like this.
Your logic's great, dude. They should. Let's try it now. See what happens.
Clutch. I do not get it. Where's the power cable to it? Are you guys TV experts?
Yeah, kind of.
Maybe.
Do you know why this is happening?
I could
Busted
tell
too?
you, but I mean,
Is it complicated?
no, it's actually very simple.
Yeah,
Is it like
it's not that big of a problem.
My guess is just turn the power on again.
I think it has something to do with the remote control itself.
Yeah.
What the hell?
This is so weird.
It is.
Like, I mean, just be glad it's not messing with like the volume functions or anything like that.
Yeah, dude, seriously.
I didn't even press anything. I forgot about that.
Took you like 10 minutes.
Holy
Why do you think we're laughing so hard?
Watching TVs break? I don't know.
No! We don't at all enjoy your pain.
dude.
You're awesome, bro.
I was seriously looking out. I wrote call them.
Oh, by the way, you've been punked.
That's no fun. I was seriously going to call them tomorrow. I'm like, yo, I need a new TV.
Oh man. Oh dude.
How long did that joke last? Was like 30. It's like 30 minutes. Like 3 minutes at least. 35 minutes.
Dude.
Lay off the Denny. Man, really.
I never even think of that.
Yeah. It's time for some night night.
I don't even know what to say about
That
all
was
that.
wow.
That was the greatest.